Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something really yummy and quick recipe for choco chip cookies. It's super easy and super quick, but before I proceed, I would like you to press subscribe button and do like and comment below how did you find it. So for that I have used Hershey choco chips cookies. I'm going to use 1 cup. Salt to taste is optional. Butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of normal sugar powder. I'm going to use baking powder 1 teaspoon, maida or all-purpose flour, 2 eggs and vanilla essence. Now make sure that all your ingredients are ready and your butter is on the room temperature. Now I'm going to add my butter and I'm going to add up my powdered sugar and brown sugar powder. I'm going to also need mixture grinder to mix it up. I'm using the brown, just mix it up and then add in that 2 eggs. So mix and then add 2 eggs and start grinding it up on high speed, till the time it melt really well. So I'm mixing it up on high speed. You can use your hand mixture if you have that, it's completely your call, but mix it on high speed. Now this is how it looks like. It's completely melted and it's ready. Now I will start adding up my maida or my all-purpose flour. I will start mixing it up and I will start mixing it up on medium speed. I will also add here vanilla essence. Now you can add any other essence you like. I'm going to add vanilla essence, I'm going to add baking soda and I'm going to mix it up. Now the texture is completely your call. I'm going to keep it a little bit soft because my kids like soft cookies, but if you like hard, add more flour in that, okay? So just mix it up really well. Look at that, this looks so good. The texture is completely perfect, it's lovely. I'm going to add here my choco chips. Now in that, if you want, you can add either choco chips, either walnut or hazelnut. I'm making it choco chips, but you can turn it into a nuts cookies as well. Just mix it up. Look at that, it smells so yum already. Now what I have done is I have preheat my oven on 210 degree. I have taken a tray, I have put a foil under it and I'm going to put a baking sheet on the top and I'm going to use a spatula which is shaped like this. Now if you have an ice cream remover, use that. It also works really well to make a perfect shape. Now I will start adding it up to make perfect circle and now it's ready. I'm going to add a little bit more choco chips on the top and this is how it looks like. Now my oven is preheated for almost 110 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put my choco chips cookies in the oven and this is how it look like. Look at that, it smells heaven in my kitchen and ta-da, it's ready. It turned out to be perfect the way I like. I hope you like my recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.